I Like Hair knows how to do kinky straight wigs. The actual texture of this hair, so lightweight and soft at the same time. Like it's coarse, but not too much.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like, woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me?
So this is ILIKEHAIR Hair's Glueless Hybrid Lace Frontal Wig. It has a 9x4" lace closure on it, but on me, it's a full frontal, okay? So it may be a full frontal on you as well. It's a hybrid wig because it has kinky straight textured hair, and mine is 22 inches long, y'all. You can get this wig from 14 inches all the way up to 24 inch, and this one is 22 inch. It is super gorgeous. I love the density of this wig, and this is a hybrid wig because it has these 3C edges on it, so it's not quite as kinky as the 4C edges. For me, it looks how my hair would look after I just blow dry it without going in with a straightener. So I love these 3C edges on the wig. Later on in this video, I am gonna say 4C edges because I got a little bit confused, but yes, these are 3C edges, y'all, and they look so nice and natural with this particular wig style. It is literally effortless. You could wear this wig half up, half down if you would like as well. The styling options are honestly limitless with this wig, and it's so simple to install this hair. If you're a natural hair girly and you do not feel like straightening your hair, you could definitely get this wig in a length that is close to your natural length, and that way you have a wig that's ready to go that you can put on and basically just have freshly straightened hair instead of having to blow dry and straighten your natural hair. I think this would be so cute and perfect. That's definitely how I would utilize this wig. Edges, the texture, the density, it's just A1. ILIKEHAIR Hair knows how to do the kinky straight hair, okay? So if you would like to see how I install this wig today, start to finish, how simple this wig was to install, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So let's first talk about the freebies that the wig came with. It came with this deluxe wig cap, an edge brush, a rat tail comb, an elastic melting band, and 2 wig clips. And here is the wig. As you can see, it is a kinky straight texture. The hair is very full and it has a coarse but still soft texture to it, y'all. So pretty. And near the hairline are these kinky 4C edges right here on the hairline, which is gonna make it look super natural when I put the wig on my head. This wig does come with pre-cut lace in a zigzag motion, and this wig also has already been tinted underneath, so I will not need to apply any foundation underneath the lace, which I think is super bomb. This is the first time that I received a glueless wig that already has tinted lace. Also, the knots on this wig are very tiny, and it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. So here is the inside of the cap. It has 2 removable wig combs on each side. It has 1 removable wig comb in the back, and it has this adjustable elastic band strap with a bit of silicone gripping around it so that it can hold on nice and snug to your head for a glueless wear. Also, the lace closure on this wig is HD, and it is 9x4 inches. So what I'm first gonna do is tuck this adjustable strap behind my head, y'all. And then we're gonna pull the rest of the wig down so that this baby is nice and secure on our head. Look at that. Wow, 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 wow. She is full. These edges look so nice. And literally, my hairline isn't that long. This is almost a full frontal on me, which is insane. Wow, y'all. Look at this wig. And then those edges, it just blends. It helps to blend the lace. It helps to blend the hair. This literally looks like freshly blow dried, like 4B, 4C natural hair without straightening it. So y'all see how quick that was just to install. Here are the kinky edges. They're looking so pretty. You don't even have to pull them out. You can leave them behind the hairline if you would like, but if you pull them forward, this is what it's looking like. And then let's go ahead and part this baby in the middle and see what kind of parting space we have with this wig. So you get 4 inches of parting space back, as you can see. You can also part this wig on each side. Do y'all see the texture of that hair? It has a nice texture to it. So I think I want to do a side parting today. I'm going to part it on this side right here. Okay, I'm struggling to get a good parting. I'm not going to take a wax stick today just because I don't really want the hair to be super sleek. I just want the parting area to look defined. So I'm just going to use the hot comb just so you can tell that I parted the hair here. Nothing crazy. And then I'm going to go towards the back as well. We want to keep the texture in the hair though. I also want to keep the volume in the hair because I really like the volume that is in this hair, y'all. Next, I'm going to take MAC NC50 concealer right here, the Studio Finish concealer, down the parting area right here, just so this looks more so like it's growing out of my scalp. Make it a little bit more natural. So the last and final step that I'm gonna do is go ahead and just straighten out the hair a bit. I'm not really straightening out the texture, but just any lumps or bumps that happened while the wig was on its route to me. Because I really like the fullness of this hair. I really like how it looks. It looks very natural, like I wasn't doing too much. And to me, it looks like it's growing out of my scalp, not a wig. Like, who gonna clock me, boo? My hair is so fine, but this is how I wish my natural hair looked when I straightened it or when I blow dried it. Like, my hair is so fine. It would never look this full in a million years, okay? If you're a natural hair girly and you're not really into wigs, but you like wearing your hair blow dried and straightened, highly recommend checking this wig out. You could do a shorter texture if this is too long for you, but I think this is beautiful, especially if you're in the mood to straighten your natural hair, but you just don't feel like doing it or you don't want to get any damage with your natural hair. You could literally just have this wig on standby for whenever you want to rock your natural hair straightened, and this is just gonna look so bomb. The kinky edges, the lace is already tinted for you. It is completely glueless. They're like cutting the grass outside or something. Hold on, y'all. Honestly, this wig is a no-brainer, y'all. If you're interested in checking out this wig from ILIKEHAIR, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. Honestly, this wig is pretty much a full frontal on me, baby, okay? This isn't even a closure wig on me. The lace goes from here to here. Like, literally, it's ear to ear on me. It may not be ear to ear on you, just depending on your measurements, but child, like a wig that I didn't even have to tint. I didn't have to put my foundation under it. I didn't need to cut the lace. It already has those 4C kinky edges. This baby is so pretty. The texture of this hair is so bomb.